So Alkaline, you need to behave yourself. See, because we see where you drop Better Body when Cartel drop him album. Now you come and tell Squash and Massacre sending song 16 already a deck in the morning. See, you need to behave yourself. Give them a
Man, them were loyal to the Gaza, you know, bro. And I see this man with a blood clot Argentina shirt talking about one Maradona, one Messi. Are you mad? Judgment on your blood clot, fam. Oh, what do you think you did? Brother, you ain't never seen one Argentinian man in the history of history buy a ticket to a Cartel show, bro. And that all the man them right now got Freedom Street tickets. You best mind we don't switch that for a vendetta, you know. Cause Alkaline's in Zanti the week before, you know. Oh, you best make sure, bro.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
So Massacre and Squash, new song, 16. See? Massacre, I think you need to let go this preview business. See? Because that song you preview so long, it pass the people in ears so many times. The song sound like one old song.
Damn! Word. So Skillibeng say I'm a prince. I must say princess.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Babs Cartel. Gaza boss. You know so them artists in the game, them new bunch of artists here. Them bad mind you.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Them bad mind if you got prison for 13 years. Them bad mind you if you got prison for 13 years. You know, so the man them a try to go to prison for 15 and 20 and 30 years.
You keep talking, man. And you shut the fuck up.
Me I go tell dancehall this. Dancehall. You know, have to know say, blogging is a part of dancehall.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Wagwan, I don't know a thing set, you know. Yeah, man. People, I don't understand this. I'm kinda hate this. If you say, yo, a big artist, I buy so much views. This now make no sense, people. Bro, when you put out the audio, seeing, nobody don't know the song. I mean, I say, yo, this now add up. Popcaan a big artist, bro. But you see this buy views thing, bro. You know how buy it and make it look too obvious, brother. Come on, dog. Come on. Better than that, bro. Bro, making music just... If you not go put out music and a buy view, bro, I don't know how you do that, my G. You understand? But people, I'm sure you know what I want. See? So, Popcaan released a song like 2 weeks ago. The song, the 877k. See? 2 weeks ago, you know. And him get 5.7k likes. I'm sure you say this now add up in the people. See? Alright. Remember, you know, 877,000 views 2 weeks ago. Him get 384 comment, right? Alright. And him have 5,007 likes. See? Alright now. I will show an example. You can know when them buy views. Because you know people them sell views and them go comment in a section. See? So them say, yo, he's one of the hardest at his age. Can't deny Popcaan been in his bag since day one. But that authenticviews.com boost is on another level. Dude literally unstoppable now. See? Buy views people them. Look at now, you know. So me I go now example people. So recently now, seen Alkaline drop theme song. So this is a song where we drop recently. Like a day ago, right? Popcaan drop 2 weeks. Seen? Alright now people. Remember you know, Popcaan have remember you know 877,000 you have you know. Seen? And look at now, him have 5,007 likes. 5,000.7 likes, right? Alkaline dropped 1 day ago and have more likes than Popcaan. We have 877 views, 1,000 views, right? That means him should have more than Alkaline, you know. But the reason why I use Alkaline because Alkaline dropped the latest him drop song where you see me recent. See? So Alkaline likes of 8.8K in a one day. So you tell me say Popcaan will have more views, get less likes than Alkaline will have what 83K and Popcaan have 877K? That nah add up, bro. You have to stop them thing, dog. Look at now, people. Looking at the comment section now. Theme one, Popcaan one. It maybe I go up, you know. But Popcaan at 384 comment. Alkaline will drop one day ago with just 83K views, right? 1.4K. 1.4K comment Alkaline have. And Popcaan have more views. Triple this, that rate at 83,000. The distance between 83,800 and 77,000. A far gap. So how comes Alkaline have more comment and more likes? Bro, you need to stop them thing, I'm a G. It not look good, dog. You a big artist, bro. Just put the song out there, brother, and make the thing marinate. And if you catch, I saw it go. It's just an audio. John, no youth. Me I tell you, dog. Jaja youth, me I tell you, people. I say it go still.
So Alkaline, you need to behave yourself, see, because we see where you drop better body when Cartel drop him album. Now you come and tell Squash and Massacre sending song 16 already at deck in the morning. See, you need to behave yourself, give them a chance to try, because we see them a try match up to impact we done make already in a dancehall scene, because we don't know so you can't fall off, you know, because you know your way to it up, you don't tell with that scene. So you need to behave yourself and give them a chance to try. Make we see what them can do. See, give them a chance. Because we see them can't keep up.
I come to realize if I've
Yeah, man. That me I tell you, Alkaline no wait. That's why sometimes when I hear them talk, you know, me don't even pay them no mind, people. Cause look here now, Alkaline know the way to the top. You see the bag of chatting, it nah make you go nowhere. Action speak louder than words. You understand? So Alkaline just stay silent and just watch him go and yap and just put in the work. You understand? Yeah, man. Cause look here, them feel like say the dancehall space at Jamaica is the world, you know. And them feel like say yo, if Jamaicans not listen to your music, the world now go listen to it. When you make a sad mistake, I want to feel like the people get gold and platinum and them over them places. You understand? Me see man I get gold and something over so. And him now have a test song, so you can go and stay the people. So we see a brother run out. Man a beat Vice Cartel and the man a say yo this and that. But I just don't know, bro. Why every time the man them attack about Cartel, the man them have to use Alkaline as a weapon? Sure no dog, if you not beat Cartel, bro, just beat Cartel, dog. Yo, the man name Harvey. Jaja, you, but listen to people.
I told the blood clot Hagen. I don't trust the word boss again, you know, fam. You best mind I don't burn my blood clot orange Gaza kerchief. Cause see when this man was in jail, bro, the man then was loyal to the Gaza, you know, bro. And I see this man with a blood clot Argentina shirt talking about one Maradona, one Messi. Are you mad? Judgment on your blood clot, fam. What you think you did? Brother, you ain't never seen one Argentinian man in the history of history buy a ticket to a Cartel show, bro. And then all the man there right now got Freedom Street tickets. You best mind we don't switch that for a vendetta, you know. Cause Alkaline's in Zanti the week before, you know. You best make sure, bro. All sit them forget you come king your head, bro. All sit them forget them and
John, no, brother. Yo, Jaja, you. Bro, people, when I watch a video, you know, see? You know, I say, alright, let me see. Cause I never realize, you know, I see the video already, but I never made it. And my mind say, let me watch the video now. And I say, bro, that's one of the worst thing I say, me G. You can't, I say, yo, you go at this show, ya, and you see me with the jersey and rare, it may be England and him side, and you see me and chew them lose and a bag of thing, and yo, the man just, and him say Cartel, and you know, no man I say, yo, mine him end up and go Alkaline show in a Greece, the Zati show. I think I in a Zat or Zanit or whatever. Bro, John or dog. Yo, me I tell you, brother, me I tell you. Man, them always I bring Alkaline in a shaggy, you know. Is it? You couldn't say you go somewhere else, dog. Yo, brother, me I tell you to bomba, bro. Jaja youth, me I tell you. But do you was the people?
Conk, bro. Because right now, man, that were balling last night, because England got kicked out of the World Cup, is coming to Freedom Street, bro. And you're there, we're talking about one Maradona, one Messi. Mental health. But know what you're doing, you know, because England free your blood clot, you know, one time you would have been rotting right now in Kingston, you know, bro. You've been rotting right now in the jail cell, you know. Man, and you know what? He must be a rage bait. It must be a troll thing, car. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. It must be a troll. He's a rage baiter. It's for clicks and you get what I'm saying? You want to cause contention, but you best be careful with that car, bro. The man them will scream vendetta, bro. Try to shut yourself.
Man say, yeah, man, them we scream vendetta to bombard. I must say UK show him attack. You see me, but where Roger say, is it?
So Massacre and Squash, new song, 16. See? Massacre, I think you need to let go this preview business, see? Because that song you preview so long, it passes people in it so many times. It sounds like one old song. See? Then if you just drop song, if people don't like it, then like it. If they don't like it, then don't like it. Because you preview the song them so long, it's come like it's a Netflix series you wait on. See? So this preview thing, just drop song. If you song bad, it's song bad. Because I don't know what to really say about that song. Because
Yo, I don't know, I just Massacre style that, you know. This preview song and this and that, and I don't know, I guess maybe I try test it to see if people ever like it and see the tension and everything, but I don't know, bro. You put out the first leak, says like people are gonna pay a piece of that and hear it, and when the song actually drop, it's like time has passed. You understand? But I'm Massacre style that can't stop him from doing him thing, a theme style that. You see me? Theme style that, so we have to see people. You see it, have to see what go on. Sometimes something get a leak too. You see it. And a squash do it some of the time too. That's how it thing go. You see it, but that's one of them things there, man.
this song just sound like one old song.
Skillibeng, sitting stuff Jamaican across the world. So Skillibeng say I'm a prince. I must say princess. Skillibeng say I'm a prince. I must say princess. I win a dancer, I run down prince name.
Yo, dog, gonna easy, na bro. Oh, na deal with this skilly, so. Ja, no, dog, you man say I must say princess to bombard, bro. Ja, youth. Ja, no, dog. Bombard, the man say, oh, I must say princess. Ja, bro. Na easy, na dog.
Oh, you in a dancer, I run down prince. Say them a prince. And you come and call yourself prince. I must say fucking princess. You better want princess position. The prince no in a dancer. So make stay there make cartel. I boots up your boy, you're a prince. Joe cartel will ride off for your career. Joe cartel will ride off for your little international career. Cause you have no Jamaican career, you know. You Skillibeng, you don't have a Jamaican career. Cause reason being, why me say you don't have a Jamaican career? Them the song the way I sing, no Jamaican can relate it to them the song they know. It's all good foreign, you can't get people really related to them song because foreign people listen to anything. All if you're going to a studio and clap 2 hours and put out it, foreign people jump to it. All if you're going to a studio and clap 2 part cover for 2 hours, 1 hour, foreign people jump up to it. So
yeah, man, cause Skillibeng always afford with some type of beat, you know. You see me, so. I don't know. Skillibeng a doing thing, dog. Him just can't do what him can do, bro. You see me, but I don't know. I don't think him can even rock a crowd the real way. Cause I don't know. Some of them songs them is like, it didn't even make no sense, bro. I just threw Skillibeng kind of link with the guys and make even him get the little hype up. You see me? I just one of them things, there, brother.
Foreign career you have, international career you have. A hit cartel will ride off and a hit cartel will ride off and you see cartel will come to about in my king and yeah princess a pussy clog. You must say a princess, not prince. Then make her
That's cartel. Gaza boss. You know some them artists in the game, them new bunch of artists here. Them bad mind you. Yes man. Them girls you fuck. Them bad mind you fuck. But I bet you could have never ever guess and tell me what them bad mind you for. Or how me know so them bad mind you. I bet you could have never guess. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you. Them no bad mind for your musical talent. Them no bad mind for your riches out of music. And them no bad mind for your influence on 2 generations. No. I know that them bad mind for you know. Them bad mind if you got prison for 13 years. Them bad mind you if you go prison for 13 years. You know see the man them a try to go prison for 15 and 20 and 30 years. You know see? The man them bad mind say, then cartel can go prison for 13 years and come back and go on good. That means that them can go to 15 and 20 and 30 and come back, come to the same thing what you do. A bad mind.
Brother, come back, come do what? Chronic last question them man, the brother. Come back, come do what, me G? Do what? Brother, them man they yo, yo. Bro, them man they don't really have that type of impact, them G. Come do what, bro? You understand? And you know what the funniest thing, people? The funniest thing is that it's so funny, say, most of the artists them where always end up in some jail or some prison thing. It have a link with them have a link with cartel. Something not right, bro. But then for the energy or what? Squash usually say Gaza. You know where I'm there. Chronic Law, you know where I'm there. Tommy Lee, you know him get what 2 years. Laden, you see Laden their own cartel on the Gaza, you know him. You understand? Who else? Are those them? Yeah. But I don't know. Them money. I don't know. It come like that, brother, you're right. Cause imagine Squash go prison. And maybe the end of the year I saw him forward out. See, Chronic Law is like the man them want go. I don't know. I don't know if prison has some leverage now or what. I don't know. Them money are rich. I have money and everything. Rather than the man them rather than the man them say, yo, go tour the world. Go yasa and go yasa. The man them prefer your prison, you think there, you know. That's why man them a pre, bro. You understand? And to be honest, the most of the artists that may go prison, right, we know over the years right now. Seeing, since Vice got a Squash, yeah, you can say Squash and Chronic Law. You understand? And them two man, only them, you feel like say them a bad man can't have prison or what. But why, people, I don't know, dancehall just, I don't know, look like some jailbird thing this hour, brother. May I tell you, some joke thing this dog. Is it? Some joke thing. Cartel fought from prison and some man want to go to prison to ride. The man shouldn't learn from them artists. For them, somebody who them look up to. Them look up to Vice Cartel and it's like him and them can't learn to ride it. May I tell you? You can't change, brother. You can't change. Is it?
A bad mind. All of a sudden everybody here run go to prison. How so? Are you the bad mind for the 13, dog? You should never go to prison, man. Imagine you go to prison for 13 years and come back. And them out here try going for 15 and 20, 25 and 30. Boy, I can't tell. I don't know. The man them got you for 13 years of prison, brother. They want the more than you. The man them want to show you so they can go to prison because the more time than you, brother. Yeah, man.
Me I go tell dancehall this. Dancehall. You know, have to know say, blogging is a part of dancehall. You know, feel like there is no dancehall without blogger. You know, have it in our head say, bloggers are just chat him out. The company internet come chat. But remember good, bloggers keep artists relevant round here in a them era 2026. Every artist have a blogger assigned to them name. Or else you know stay relevant. Who are pushing in a social media. So if you don't feel like say, blogger now no place in a dancehall, God go with you know. When you talk about dancehall, you have to talk about bloggers. You see it? So the next thing again, you see if you're in a dancehall, and in a social media, and you put no business in a dancehall, and put no business in a social media, remember say, you go get criticized around here. And so it go. If me not do it, another blogger go do it. A dancehall it name, a social media it name. So they're not putting no business out here, and then I go say, people in our business, and so it work, a social media this. Anybody who put their business in a social media, liable to get dragged in a social media.
At that, me I say, you know, because you have an option, say, either you want to put your Instagram page or what, either you want to put it public, or you want to put it private. Same like when you dip on YouTube and you upload video. You have a thing named public, or you want to put it private, nobody can see it. Public, everybody has see it. You understand? So, remember, say your page is a social media. Once you sign up for your social media page, it is public. You understand? It is public. Instagram are go put it all over the place. People are go screenshot, screen record every little thing and put on different channel and rare. You understand? That's how I tell you, internet and social media enough for everybody. Because the things them when you put out there can forward back and haunt you. You understand? You know how much relationship social media mash up? Just by them people putting themselves and them relationship out there on the social media. A lot of things social media mash up. You understand? Social media is like a thing where it just make things get worse. I want danger. It good, you know. It have it good and bad. But try to stay on the good side. You understand? And no matter what, you cannot do good things in social media and you still get bad comment. And you cannot do bad things in social media and you go have people, your fans, them go back and everything. But don't feel like you go just post up things and people ask questions and way. And you just are just dead here do things for the media and nobody say none. That don't make no sense. You understand? Because if you don't put nothing out there for the vloggers them or the bloggers them put out or have something to say, them not have nothing. Imagine all of the celebrity them, everybody, famous people, don't post one day. No, say about we give it 1 week. Nobody no post. Vloggers not have nothing to talk about, you know. Vloggers not have nothing to talk about. Cause you not put out there, you not go up on live and crash out. Some members say, what you put out there, the vloggers them talk about. You understand? Yeah, man.
Next thing again, bloggers. Bloggers in a dance hall. We see if you're not afraid to blog, leave it alone. If you're not coward, leave blogging alone. Blogging is a serious thing. Blogging will make you not dead too. So when you need a blogging, you have to be serious too and prepare if you kill too. That's how blogging work. You understand? Blogging is not a thing where you just get up and talk and don't know what you talk say. You have to prepare to say what you want to say, prepare if you dead to what you say, and believe in what you say. That's how blogging world work. So, any man who not prepare for anything in the blogging world, leave blogging alone. Blogging world is a serious world. You understand? Any man who want to see a blog and do it seriously, them know the risk in a blogging. You understand? And them have to prepare for the risk them in a blogging. And so it go. And bloggers, let me tell you this from now. Especially the blogger them in America. You see, if you're in America and you're a blogger, we have name, make sure you buy your gun and don't go nowhere without it. See, if you're a blogger, whether you're Jamaica and a blogger, we have name, make sure you have your license gun and don't go nowhere without it. Me not talk about legal gun, illegal gun, you know, because me not push nothing illegal around here. You understand? If you're there Jamaica and you're a blogger, make sure so you have your license strap and don't go nowhere without it. And number one, don't have it and afraid to make nobody lay down. And if you're the America, see a procedure, make sure say you have your license strap. You hear me I say, and don't afraid to use it either. Because you see out here in the blogging world, them pre-grimy, and you have to pre-grimy too. That's how it go. But remember, anywhere you're going to blogging, and you're covered and afraid to say what you need to say, take my advice. Leave blogging alone. Me don't talk.
Yeah, man, I say it's it, man. You see me? I say it's it. You see me? Some of the words hurt, you know. Especially when it's true. You understand? But that's why things said still, would they ever talk about dancehall? Any little thing. You see me? Come on, I always tell people, say, you know have to diss nobody. Sometimes, you know have to diss nobody to like, you know, put forward a path or, you understand, some narrative. You know have to diss nobody. You cannot speak the truth, say something, and it still hurt, you know. One man can go down the road, right, and step in one pothole and broke him foot. Seeing, and you just talk about it. And people just, you see me, we just cut you for that too. You would just, them see video, you know, and you just talk about the video, you know. Seeing? And you still get touched the same way. I just saw the social media world stay. You understand? Because at the end of the day, we're there and we are dealing with facts. You see me? Facts we are dealing with. You see it? Every artist in a dancehall space I go get criticized. Things I go get questioned, I go ask. People I go say things. But one thing, me wouldn't advise nobody to do. I threaten nobody on the internet. That's one thing, because what you go say, it can end up and affect you in the longer run. You understand? Don't threaten nobody on the internet. Yeah, man. Talk about things and situations where you see in the media and so, yeah, nothing wrong if you put your little opinion to it and, you know, but not threaten nobody. One thing we can tell people, don't threaten nobody. You see me? Yeah, you can talk and reason, yeah, but don't threaten. Same like if you see a police, you can talk, you know, but don't threaten the police. You understand? I just saw a thing set. Yeah, can you know them things. But people, big up on yourself. One media facts on the app. That is it.